In Peoria, Illinois, police were responding to a stolen motorcycle call and the alleged thief led them on a chase. However, the chase didn't go well for the alleged suspect. Have a look at the police chase video from the Peoria County Sheriff's Department Facebook page. Oopsie, that didn't go well for the alleged thief. The suspect was arrested for felony warrants, possession of a stolen vehicle, fleeing and eluding, as well as having illicit paraphernalia on him. Remember, all suspects are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. At least the motorcycle owner will get their bike back, and maybe they use low fuel as a theft deterrent. I've linked a few motorcycle locator tools below that will help track a stolen motorcycle if you're ever a victim of theft. Thanks for watching.